Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Minced chicken with broccoli. So we're going to cut up our broccoli florets and get it ready for blanching. We're going to blanch this for about 60 seconds, 1 minute. We're going to remove it and leave it to drain.
Hi guys, this is Laura's sidekick. I want to invite you to please, if you haven't done that, subscribe to this channel. Please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you watch all the videos. Over and out.
There we have our blanched broccoli. Now let's prepare our aromatics. So we're going to cut up some onion. We're going to cut up some garlic, about 3 cloves of garlic that I have there. We're going to cut up some spring onions or chive, which is going to be put at the end of the dish. So we're going to garnish that with the spring onion and chive at the end. All right, so there we have everything chopped, our mise en place. Now we have our minced chicken. So we're going to season that. So I used the all-purpose seasoning that did not have any salt. That is cornstarch. I'm going to be using the cornstarch in order to season the chicken. So there you see I had 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. This time here I did have half a teaspoon of salt, but I would recommend you guys not use any salt if you're going to be using the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, which we need to make in order to make the sauce for this. Also add 1 tablespoon of rice wine in order to season the chicken. Here I am making the sauce for it. So this is chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of rice wine. You would use about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use tamari because it's gluten-free. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. You can also use 1 teaspoon of ginger. I did not do that, but that's what you can do. If you want to add a little sweetness, you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and of course you make your cornstarch slurry. All right, so now we're gonna put oil to our pan. I use coconut oil. Let's saute our aromatics until they become fragrant. Then we're gonna add in our minced chicken, and we're gonna brown that. We're gonna cook it completely. All right, so once our chicken is cooked completely, we're going to remove it, and now we're going to add some more oil. We're going to saute up the broccoli, and we're going to put in our brown sauce. We're going to mix everything together, warm through everything. We're going to add in back now our cooked minced chicken. I'm going to add the rest of our brown sauce. There we have it bubbling, and now to thicken up everything, your cornstarch slurry. And that's it, guys. Minced chicken with broccoli. Enjoy!